This is YaadMentz.
Hey guys, welcome back to another YaadMentz video. Today we'll be actually looking at a house in SilverSun Estate. We're here at a house viewing, so we are taking you guys along with us. Before we show you and get into the entire video, we want to remind you guys to subscribe if you haven't. Also remember to check out the previous videos on our channel. Check out our channel playlist. Remember to like the videos. Remember to check out my channel to Just Debbie Marie. And yeah, hit the notification bell as well so you guys will know whenever we post a video.
So we're going to try our best and give you the best views possible of this location. Hope you like it. The place is crowded. We're actually parked up at somewhere and
SilverSun Phase 3.
The Phase 3. We're here at the Phase 3. So we're going video and see what we can get, and hope you guys enjoy. So they're still doing construction work over there. As you can see, those units are not finished. Those units are not finished as yet. And we're going to head and find the display house. Wow, there's a lot of people here like crazy. I think there's a line to go inside. Wow.
You can see also some people looking through some of the other houses to get an idea of how they look.
I guess a lot of persons can't wait to view because of the line, but boy, make we see what go on. I mean, this is Inswood in Spanish Town, or like if you're heading to Old Harbor. Old Harbor. So this is a unit, basically finished. Wow, the lines, people.
Alright guys, so we have viewed the property. I hope you guys enjoy the little clips that we would have gotten. People are out there. People are out there like, wow. People are literally out there like,
so
wow.
crazy,
it was so hot. And we stood up in the line so long just to see the little piece of place. But anyway, yeah, what we went to look at today, as we were saying, was SilverSun Estate Phase 3. So they do have Phase 1 and 2, which people are already
moving in. Well, people
living
are
in there.
Living in there.
Because even when we went to look, we saw like people's clothes hanging out on the line and stuff. So people have already, I think the first 2 phases are already completely sold out. And so we came to see this one. We did not go and look at the first 2 phases when they were being built. So this is the first time we're seeing any house in the SilverSun Estate. To be honest, people may think the house is very small.
Yeah, they are quite small.
Yeah, I think it's over in that phase. I think it's over 100 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom units. And
kitchen and dining in one.
Kitchen and dining in, living and dining. Dining in one. They have a little small kitchen area. I think there's a wash basin outside.
There's a wash basin outside. I'm going to show a clip of the outside of the unit and the wash basin as well. Yeah, and I don't think it comes with any heater. Certain amenities like the water heater, no tank. No tank, it don't come with that. Obviously there's no fence there either. You'll have to provide your own fence and stuff like that. Do your little grass and whatever, you have to do that on your own. The price of the units is 14.7. Should be around 14.7. 14.7 million. Yeah, around that price range. I think it's 14.7 million for the units. And I think the application opens on, I believe it's the 18th, either the 17th or the 18th of August. So you can go on the NHT. Yeah, you can go on the NHT site and apply. But yeah, I personally was not impressed really based on the price. The square footage is very small. Yeah, the units are small, to be honest. It's literally a starter home. I think you have room to build to the back of the unit. Or if you want to go upstairs, I think upstairs, but from the back, you know. And it's okay, but it is small. So if you're going there, you're going with a mind of getting a small unit, you're starting, even though it's way out in Holawa area there, you know. It's in Inswood Spanish Town area. Close going to Holawa, so personally I think it's more of a person who can drive, you know. If you have to take taxi, it's a lot of transport to get there. It's kind of out of the way. It's not so much really on the main, really like that. So they have to turn off of the main road to get to there. Get up there, and the road is not all that so good. I'm hoping that hopefully they'll fix up the road by the time. I'm hoping that when they finish all the construction and everything, they'll do something about the road, because trust me, you will see in the clips as we were heading there. It's a lot of, you know, red dirt construction, not so level and whatever. But I mean, we went, we saw what it was about. We're not interested in buying it at this time. But if you guys are interested, you guys can get more information on it on the NHT site. Those are my thoughts about it. And I believe it was built by YaadMentz as well. YaadMentz was the one who did the construction. And I believe that you can get 100% financing depending on if you are qualified. Through the NHT. So all the details should be on their website. I think we were trying to link it in the comment section below, so you can click in the description below, so you can click. And if you want more information about the units, again, the units are very small, but you know, it's a starter home. It's a starter home. If you are looking to start and you are able to afford the house as it stands right now, by all means. I personally like the area though, because it's basically they cut into like a hill, like a hill itself. So there are a lot of trees around. So I don't think you should have problem with you know, the place being so hot from time to time, and it's red dirt. So I think planting, and if you want to plant up a little garden and everything, I think there's good soil there. So there's a lot. There are positives to take away from it, and you know, there are definitely quite a few of negative, but it's a good starter home. It's a good starter home. So wanna so guys, this is another video from YaadMentz. Again, please hit that like button if you like this video. Comment down below what you think about the housing units that is available here. If you went there to view the house, let us know what are your thoughts. Know our thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell as well. Again, guys, thank you for viewing another YaadMentz video. We'll see you in our next one. Bye, guys. Bye.